So the last one I will talk about na DNS. DNS na domain name system. Domain name system just be like phone book. Remember that time where we buy SIM cards, abi? Now, if you get SIM cards, your friends, even when we did secondary school, you go write your friend, you go write Mr. Okeke or Okeke my friend. When you write Okeke my friend, you can't put dash, you can't write in phone number. You can't write Alice, you can't write in phone number. Write Emeka, you can't write in phone number. It just be like your phone book where all these numbers dey, and e dey tallied to their names so that e go dey easy for you to actually search for the phone number and dial the phone number, the correct phone number. So our phone book wey dey for our phone na the same thing, e dey save the numbers, abi? Why? Because you no go fit carry all the 1,000 people like your friends, abi, your friends. You no go fit carry all their numbers for your head. Just the same way, you no go fit carry all their house addresses for head, which is the IP address. No forget, internet protocol address, right? So for you to make this thing easier, your phone go help you save the number, then tally am to that particular name. Now make when you dey save the number, you go put the person name there because na the phone book. So when you want call the person, all you have to do is go and look for that name. Abi, once you find the name, you send am. You know, even nothing concern you again. Why? Because the IP address don dey tied to that name. Na so the domain name system be, and na so internet be. So every website where you dey see, where they work, get IP address. Computer understand one and zeros, no be letters. Now one and zeros, you dey understand, abi? So many things they happen under the hood, and they call them DNS resolving. They resolve the DNS. Wetin that thing mean be say, if I type google.com, so look am, if I type google.com now, google.com, then hit enter. Yes, you don't open, abi? Yes, you don't open. This website wey we dey see now, wey dey show, na IP address wey e be actually. So the reason why we actually reach that particular IP address now because of say e don dey resolved for the backend. E don dey resolved. The DNS resolver don resolve am say, okay, you don type google.com. Okay, wetin google.com be for the DNS, the domain name system? Okay, now this IP address, you go come talk say, okay, na Google in dey go, na Google server where in dey look for. You go come resolve am, go Google server. You go come see wetin you dey find. If you dey type facebook.com, you no go fit memorize the IP address of Facebook. You no go fit memorize the IP address of Google, and besides, dem get plenty addresses, right? E dey change sometimes. Then you no go fit resolve or memorize your school e-campus website IP address or your friend website IP address, abi? Because it plenty. It just be like the phone numbers. It plenty.
It's plenty. Stop playing.
So to make am easy, we go use name, contact that particular IP address. Instead of to memorize 127.0.this.that. Instead, you can talk say na OpsWaka.com. Easy. It is easy to memorize. You understand? Nigeria.com, myfriend.com, emeka.org, whatever. But the IP address they under. That's in a phone book. We carry all the names, then tie them to an IP address. And that's how the internet they work, my brother, my sister.